Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my humble home here in Livingston, Montana. Now, today, what I thought I would do is I thought I'd do a tutorial, if you will, or a how to on how to make these YouTube shorts. Now, right off the get go, I'm no expert at this. I just barely started doing these yesterday. And while I'm thinking about it, today is what, the 19th, the 19th of February of 2022. But anyway, I had gotten a newsletter from YouTube basically showing me how to do these shorts, but I still had to do a lot of fumbling through the way you get it done. I had a fumbling and mumbling and pulling my hair out and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, right off the get go, the thing that you need to know if you want to do shorts, the whole structure, if you will, or the whole pathway was made for these devices right here, these mobile devices. In this case here, this is an iPhone 10, an XS Max. Okay. I've had it for a few years now. But if you're trying to do this off of a regular computer, or even this laptop here, I couldn't get the job done off of this laptop or this is Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2. It's actually a laptop slash tablet, but it's got a full blown browser, meaning Google's Chrome in there. So, I'm pretty sure you're needing a mobile browser, but you're definitely needing a mobile device like this iPhone or an Android phone, and you gotta have the app. You gotta have the app. It's just that simple. I don't think you can do it any other way because I fooled with it quite a bit yesterday. So, you're going to start out now. Now, look, I'm going to be making two videos at one time. Two videos at one time. You're going to be seeing this video right here, but I'm going to make a short right here in the here and now along with this video. You understand what I'm saying? Sure you do. Okay, let's get with the Well, the first thing you got to know here, getting along with the program is what I started to say, is you need, unless I'm wrong about this, I stand to be corrected, but you need your phone vertical like this. I tried it yesterday horizontal and every other which way I could figure out, but if you do it horizontal, your your image is going to be like this. It's going to be vertical. It's going to be sideways. Is what I'm saying. It won't fit in the template. Now it'll fit in the template, all right, but it'll be just like this, but it'll be running sideways. If you see what I mean. Okay. And one other thing I might want to mention, it'll help you out to get one of these tripods here. This is a tripod made by this company here. I've got a couple of them. Let me see if you can see that. I've used these for years. They work pretty good. They'll hold your phone straight up and down like this, vertical or landscape mode. Uh, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Don't use landscape mode. And also, one thing I might want to say is if you use this front camera, well, at least the way it is on this iPhone, if you're looking at yourself holding something up or like that, the writing, if you've got something that's got writing on it, it's going to be backwards. So, the best thing to do, believe it or not, is run this vertical like this, run your device, your mobile device like this, and use this back camera. That's what I discovered anyway. The tripod will help you set your work down or help you hold it a little steady. Up until this short business, I had never used my iPhone vertically. Never. I've always used it in landscape mode, this camera back here, and landscape mode, my rear camera like that, because I'm usually photographing stuff, not always myself. Okay, but anyway, let's get on with this. And I will be doing a little recording here, which you'll be able to see on my channel, and hopefully you folks can put these two files together. The file that you'll be able to see, this file I'm recording right here using this Chromebook, it'll be file 928, and this will be my shorts number 4. Okay, I hope you're following this. Okay, what you do is you just turn on your app, turn on your YouTube app. Okay, then go Okay, my videos here. And yeah, okay, right down here at the bottom, when you turn your app on, you're going to see this little deal called Shorts. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. Well, it's right there. You can see that little icon right there. Okay, right there. That little weird black looking icon that says Shorts. And all you have to do is just hit that thing, tap it. Now let me turn this down because what happens is a video will pop up in your face, somebody else's video. It's kind of annoying, but it's no big deal because what you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner and there's a camera icon up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, right there on your right hand side of the screen, up above that bear, there's a camera icon. Okay, just hit that, tap it. Okay, tap it, and there's a couple of choices that you've got here. You can set the speed of this thing, timer, filter, green screen if you want a green screen, and like that. And let's see, where am I at here? Okay, I'm going to turn my camera around this other way. You can also turn the camera around the other way. And so, there's also a big red button right there. Hope you can see it. Well, yeah, okay, right. There's a red button right there where my mouth is, and up above that it says 15. That's 15 seconds. It's a timer. But if you will tap on that, it'll give you 1 minute. Okay. I did that wrong, but I can redo it again. Okay, tap on that, 60 seconds. Okay. Now here I'm going to this is difficult. This is weird. Okay, let me tap on this go button, this red button here. Okay, right here I'm going to be recording a short. Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is a short. This goes along with my video 928. Video 928. And I hope you can put this together, but I'm going to change this around. And for you folks that are smart enough to put these two videos together, you'll understand what I'm saying here. And there I am on my Linux machine. And basically, here I am right here looking stupid and all that other stuff. And so what do we got? We got about 30 seconds. There's a time graph that's on top that'll let you know. Like I say, you can do 15 seconds or 60 seconds. And, here's my little station. I did a video on this, the other day. But anyway, this is just to go along with my main video. Okay, I'm almost done with this shorts here. It's winding down, whatever. Thank you. Okay. Now I'm just gonna to save me time, I'm just gonna hold this in limbo because it'll want you to go next and it'll want you to fill in your title and whatever, and then just simply upload it. So wait, all that mess you just seen me do, and it'll be recorded, okay? And where am I at on this main file? I'm at 8 minutes and some odd. But if you just fool with it, you'll see what I'm getting at. I'm almost coming up on 9 minutes. I want to end this, but I'm just telling you to use a tripod, use your phone vertically like this, use this back camera is the best, I'm thinking, or you can use the forward camera. It doesn't really matter. And the rest of it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, I'm all done with this, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching this video. We shall see you on down the trail. Take care of yourselves and adios, my friends.